What's up, guys? Installing some artificial reefs, ocean habitats. Mr. David Wolf himself right here, brother. Why don't you tell us a little bit what's going on? We're going to do a quick little 1-minute video for the Instagram.
Yeah, we're preparing some units here to put in, getting them roped up so they can be attached to the dock. And once they enter the water, they're going to become a home for all kinds of little invertebrates and fish and crabs, and help put life back into our waters and help clean them up a little bit by filtering them. So
rock on. And it's just, we got a lot of surface area for wildlife to live.
Yeah, basically this little tiny thing, it gives you the same surface area as 125 feet of seawall.
Oh,
the life zone that things are actually on there.
Absolutely.
So it's like you're putting another seawall in of surface area every time you do this.
So that's like 300 fish a home right there. Then.
Yeah, so you get this on average will filter about 30,000 gallons a day about 6 months from now, once the animals have a chance to grow up. And then,
Sweet. I'm gonna